new video, new websites and apps for you to earn. So, if you want to earn this amount of money, then all you need to do is to stick with me until the very end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto videos. For today's video, I am going to show you how you can earn about $300 DOGECOIN in 55 minutes. These methods are super fast and easy. Pretty amazing, right? And as you know, cryptocurrencies are still on trend right now. And don't worry, these methods are available to everyone and are legit and safe. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. The first site that we are going to visit is minergate.com. You can see that it has a lot of currencies that you can mine here. And what's great about this one is that mining here is really fast. They have a lot of good hash rates that you can mine. Another great feature about Minergate is that they have these pool stats. You can see that they have all the data. They also have a mining profitability calculator. You can see how much you can earn in just an hour, or 24 hours, and even a week. And as you can see, Bitcoin is already worth this much. So just multiply that with the amount you will earn in 1 week, and you see it is worth this much. You can really see that their Bitcoin mining pool is top notch. And you can find everything that you need on this website. You can see that they have a nice hash compatible pool. You can mine with a low fee, meaning they won't take much of your Bitcoin. As you can see, they have easy Bitcoin mining, and that is what we want. They also have a mining affiliate program, so you can invite all your family and friends and mine with them. You can get a lot of commissions here as well, and as you can see, they have supported all of these miners over here. So, whichever one you got, it doesn't really matter. And for our Ethereum lovers out there, we have something for you. As you can see, there is an Ethereum mining pool that you can download on your PC. It doesn't really matter whether you like Ethereum or not, because there is always something for you. This site has a lot of feature for they don't stick to Bitcoin only, but there is also Ethereum. But if you like Bitcoin as well, you can just visit their homepage and click here on Download Miner Now, which is going to lead you to this page. And all you need to do is click this one right here, and it will be saved on your computer. So while it is still downloading, you can see that they have some great hash rates. So you can estimate how much you are going to earn here. They also have this list of graphic card which they support. And if you are still in doubt, this site is trusted by more than 3.5 million users worldwide. And they also have low fees and fast payouts, which I know you all love. Once it is done downloading, you just have to click on the next button, click on I agree. And take note, as this is very important, click the Add Minergate to the system path for all users because it is going to work like that. Don't worry, this site is safe. So, after choosing that one and clicking next, you have to wait until it installs on your computer, and it is going to take just a second. Then you will be able to start mining here on Minergate. Very easy and profitable, right? So just click on Finish and it will run Minergate automatically on your computer. What you all need is to enter your email address, and then you will click on Start Mining. But before that, you have to go back to the website and click on the Sign Up button here. And enter your email and create your own password. Complete the CAPTCHA, and that is it. So, once you have entered your email address, you will get a verification link that you need to click. Then you will be able to come here on this menu and start mining. So if you click this hammer right here, you can then choose between CPU mining and GPU mining. So you have the freedom to choose what you want. You can also see these currencies right here that you can freely choose. So for example, you choose Monero, you just have to select the number of cores with which you want to mine. So for example, I am going to mine with 4 courses. Then I am going to click on Start Mining over here, and that is it. That's how easy it is to mine with MinerGate. And also, you can use MinerGate on your mobile phones. You can even track your minings which you do on your desktop. So, it is really a great app. And as I have mentioned, they have an affiliate program that you can join. You can get 65% off their profit, and that is really a big percent. Pretty amazing, right? MinerGate basically has something for everyone. As you can see, MinerGate XFast is primarily designed for mining novices, while MinerGate XFast CLI Miner is for experienced users. So whether you are a pro or a beginner, it is going to be easy for you. There you have it, another way to earn free Dogecoin. What do you think? Don't forget to show some love by smashing the like button down there and comment how this works for you.